What's the force draw curve 3-minute Friday? Maximum information, shortest amount of time. You have your bow, you know your brace height, and then you simply measure. From here, obviously, you have 0 poundage, and then you measure every inch what the poundage is of your bow, and then you can fill it in. I got from Lukasz Nawalny this nice Excel sheet, which is really nice. You can fill everything in, and you see even the draw curve in a graph. We directly cover another question because somebody asked, what's the force draw curve of a snake bow? So this is a 26-pound snake bow. It's not a completely new one. It's one which it's used at the range here, and I will simply start. Of course, you need to know the brace height. Brace height of this bow is exactly 8 inches. So at 8 we have 0. At 9 we have 1.710, 2.9 11, 4.1 12, 5.3 28, the standard draw length, 20.8, 29, 22.3, 30, 23.5, and 31, the official max draw of the snake bow, 25.4. Now you have from 0, from 8 inches, where you don't have tension, to max draw all the poundages. You put this in this Excel sheet, and then you see the curve. What is the draw curve doing? Do I get stacking? Something like this. And in Lukasz's Excel sheet, you see directly always the difference from inch to inch, and then you see, is there, you know, a big gap or a smaller? You can analyze everything there. That's all there is to the force draw curve. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.